Our
what?
Building.
don't bother about that. It's done, and aha!
Yeah.
Udoka.
Yeah.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
How is
You're
it?
welcome. Fine.
Uzoka, this is the security man that my friend sent for me to work for a night.
What's your name?
Ibekwe.
Okay. My people will soon arrive. Wait for them at the gate. You are looking at us.
I just I meet you. I think I will join.
There's drink.
Join us. I don't know. Let me start from the biggest, the drink. Yeah.
You're welcome. This building is very, very beautiful. You did a wonderful job here.
Yes, that's my friend.
I'm marvel.
It is my profession. It could have been better if Uzoka brought out more money.
Uzoka, why now?
Udoka,
this is your building. You're supposed to give him more money. If we have something much more better than this,
I should have gone to Central Bank, open their vault. Udoka to carry money.
Even if you do it doesn't mean you see your house.
I'm Tony by name, but friends call me JJ. You are cute. Very cute. Why don't we have a thing together? Be my girl. And I promise I'm going to take good care of you.
You have some guts, I must say. Okay. So, how does this play out at the end of the day? You just want to sleep with me?
It's not what you think. I'm for real.
I've been there, done that. So go along and look for some other girl that is gullible enough to fall for your life, okay?
Why don't you just give me a chance? I mean each and every word I just said to you now. Just give me a chance and you won't regret it.
I am here to discuss a contract worth 10 million naira. Can we talk about that?
You're beautiful. And you can as well give me a chance because I'm for real.
Can you give it to me?
But why not you just give me?
Get lost. Get lost.
Oh my. Then what them? What are you doing here, Ibekwe? Eh? Papa? What are you doing here? Papa, am I talking to someone? Come here.
I walk.
I will walk. I'm here for
Mama,
Uzoka! What is this man doing here? Please get this thing out of my compound. Get this man out of my compound. Are you wasting time? They want him sick. Get out!
Go. You're sacked. He's sacked. I don't want to
That really?
I don't want to see him here again.
Okay.
Take him out.
No, Usokabiko, don't upset me. How could you let that man into my compound?
He's out. He's out.
Oh, no. This is
Just worry.
it's totally unacceptable. Is it really out? Out! Go inside. Go inside. Go inside, Mama. You can see it.
Let's go. Yeah, he's gone.
Does it mean that this house belongs to my son, Chatanna? Did they rent the house? Why does Anacheli hate me this much? The passion of this hatred is extreme. I married her legally. Why must she drive me out in this cold night?
Yourself? I've been on him.
I'm sorry. I have plenty of things up here. I'm sorry, please.
Oga, please, be careful, okay? Be careful next time.
Excuse me. Can you drop me off somewhere there?
At the gate. He must have gone home.
Where exactly do I drop you off?
I was actually going home. But right now, you are looking at a broken man. I can't even go home because my home is hell. I have a wife who has turned my life into a living nightmare. Right now I need a quiet, cool place I can think. Drop me off in a quiet place where I can clear my head of cobwebs. Cobwebs of sad thoughts.
Where's your husband and your kids? Where are they? Your family?
I live alone. I don't have no husband, no children.
All this beauty.
Beauty.
All this.
Yet not beautiful enough for any man to want to go into marriage with me.
Marriage. Marriage could be enjoyable to some people, yet hell to some others. I have suffered in marriage. I have 3 children. Suddenly my first son, whom we thought we had lost, started bringing things home, gifts, including phones. But my wife never allowed me to enjoy the fruit of my labor. I once had a white-collar job. My wife cost me that job. And I became an Okada rider. One day, thieves stole my Okada. I ended up as a security guard in someone else's house.
That is so sad. Well, you can stay here for as long as you want until you pick up yourself. Then you can go home.
Why are you doing all this? Why are you helping me?
Maybe I just want to help you. Or it could be that because an Okada man once helped me. My car broke down in a lonely road. God, that day was something else. I was so scared to the point that when I got home, I forgot to pay him. I ran inside the house and forgot to completely pay him. And the man came in. It was at that point that I remembered to even...
You gave him more than enough for just an Okada price. You gave him well above 40,000 naira. Oh. Now I remember this house.
That was you?
Yes,
Oh my God. Oh.
Here. If he's here, this clothes wouldn't litter this place. Oh my God. I hope nothing has happened to him. Laughing now. Instead of helping me to get down, you're laughing at me.
What are you even doing there? What did you go to do up there?
There is one mango I wanted to check.
Go and check it now. If you know how you climbed up there, you come down.
Papa, help me to come down. I'll jump from here.
Jump is better.
You know, if I jump here now and get injured, you will be the one to take me to hospital.
You will be the person who will suffer the pains.
Oh, Papa, this is not funny. Help me to come down.
Come down now. And if you don't come down, you will walk like this.
Papa, I don't like this thing you're doing, no, honestly.
Listen, The man that will marry you, you know when you be going like this, the man that will marry you will be going like this.
Baba, so this is what you're wishing me back. Okay, let me even jump and
jump.
But I'll jump. I'll jump.
Okay. Alright, come.
Papa, you do. Hey, Baba. Hey.
Next time, don't climb. Women don't climb.
Baba, I beg. I was just trying to check one mango like that.
Yes, Mama. Fine. I will send the money for the land. I'm going to send $15,000. $15,000, Mama. Yes. Mama, $15,000, not $80,000, 15,000.
I was being starved.
She needs to see
of
you
food.
now.
If she sees me now, she won't believe it. Riding on a jeep like this. Look at her. That's my wife coming. Look at her.
Really?
That's her.
Man.
Don't bother about him. Don't bother about him.
Look at you, man. Look at you, block on mad.
Is he alright?
Go this way so I can pass. As I'm moving, he's blocking me the more. Go! Take that way now!
Where are you going?
No, 1 minute. Let me know who this idiot is. So why are you so stupid?
No matter how long it takes, no matter how long it lasts, will come back to you.
For the 10th time, you need a strong financial base. Something to fall back on when things are no longer rosy. Okay, like this land now. We don't need to buy the land now. We just need to buy some goods from China, electronics. We buy electronics from China, ship them into the country, sell them, make loads of money. And then we can use the capital to buy as many parcels of land as we want. And then we use the gains to do whatever we want to do. We'll have loads of money.
That sounds interesting.
It's very interesting.
Then we could, start off our own business.
Now you're talking. That's what I'm talking about.
You're so smart.
You're smart. You are smart.
Really? So
I'll call my agent. We just, I know this guy. We just transfer money. They ship the goods. And that's it. We're in business.
Okay. But first thing tomorrow morning, we go to the bank and transfer the money. I like it.
I like it too.
You're smart.
You're smarter.
Oh!
It's obvious Papa has not come to the house. What do I do now? Should I report to the police? Finally, we are living in a big house. But what do I have to show for it? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. No good clothes, no money, and Mama doesn't even care.
Udoma, you can't believe this. Hi! Mama said she saw Papa driving a very big car. If you see this car, a jeep. And then there is this fine girl seated beside him. Hi! If you see this girl, beautiful. In fact, she's more beautiful than Miss Nigeria. And both of them were in the car. Music was playing and they were dancing. Hi! Papa is now a millionaire. Papa Ebugosu.
Ikechi, what do you take me for? A dummy or what? Please, save your exaggerations for those who care about it.
Are you saying I'm a liar?
Where could Papa get such money to buy a car?
Oh, you are calling Mama a liar? Ujuma.
Ikechi, I know you planned this with Mama. Yes, I know you planned it with her to make me forget the fact that nobody knows Papa's whereabouts.
Ujuma, what is wrong with you? Mama is rich, you are not happy. Now I told you that Papa is rich, you are not happy.
Let me be, please.
So how are we going to raise that kind of sum of money to be able to clear the goods? I mean, Chatana hasn't been picking his calls. And besides, he hasn't even sent Ikechi's school fees. I think we should sell the big car and use the car to get some money.
That's not a bad idea. But I don't think it will be enough. We're talking about a lot of money here.
Oh.
So I suggest we borrow money from the bank, use this house as collateral. We turn over and we pay the money back.
This house?
Yes. We will turn over before you know it. And we'll get the money, we'll get the house back.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I'll give you the documents. You raise the money, and by the time we sell off the goods, we'll have a lot. We'll get our documents back.
That's a good plan.
Yeah, I think so.
That's a good plan.
I think so.
Why don't you call Chetana again?
Chetana's phone is permanently switched off.
Just try again. You never can tell.
Okay, if you say so. I told you. Switched off. Anyway, let me get the documents.
Okay.
All right.
I wish to use this opportunity to appreciate you for all you've done for me. You helped me pick up the shattered pieces of my life. Now I am standing on my feet again as a man. Thank you.
You really don't have to thank me. I am just being human.
I want to inform you that I have decided to divorce my wife and move ahead with my life.
Well, it's a good thing that you are on your feet now. But do you have to divorce your wife?
Yes.
Why?
We don't need to do this.
Okay. You are a good man. And I believe you truly deserve the best I have to give.
The best?
Yes.
Within a short period of time, you have shown me that there are still diamonds among women. You are a diamond. I would have loved to be that best which I desire. But you really need a younger man.
I don't need any younger man. I need you. In the car. Okay, let me clean off your lip. Hey.
Let's get it.
Again, I was given the insult of my life. In a meeting, we just finished in a meeting. I told Okonkwo, you know, Papi Vani, I told him to drop me at the junction, just at the junction, so that I would trek in here. Papi Vani insulted me, insulted you. Yes, insulted you, insulted my generation. Just because I told him to drop me at the junction, that I will trek in here.
That was all.
Nothing more than
just for him to drop you off so you walk home.
Yes.
He insulted you.
Finish. At the junction, not here. For me to trek down.
Hello? Okay. That SUV, you asked me if I wanted to buy and I said no. I want to buy it now. Yes, I want to buy it for my father. Yes, you said 6 million, I remember. Send your account number and you see the alert right now. I need you to arrange, if you cannot bring it, arrange for someone to bring it to my village right away. I will send you the address. Okay, you will get the alert right now. Thank you.
Papa? Mama.
I have just, let me do the transfer. Pay for your SUV, they are bringing it. G, SUV. While I'm doing that, she is actually the main reason I came to see you. Your son has decided to settle down, and Papa, the person I have decided to settle. Papa, don't worry. She's the one I have decided to settle down with.
You know him? He's my son. You want him to marry you? Right away. Fix the date.
As soon as people give me the go-ahead. We go.
Hey!
But there are certain calls you don't take. These ones you ignore them. There are people that are distractions. This one is a distraction, Papa. I will send a text message to you. Very, very important. This is very, very important. Yeah, Papa, this is very, very important.
Hey! Don't care for no.
Ikechi. Where are you?
I'm here.
What are you doing here? I've checked your room and you're not there. Get you. What is it? I've never seen you in this mood before. What's the problem?
Do you remember that book called Things Fall Apart?
Yes, by Chinua Achebe. What about it?
It is happening in this house.
How?
Juma, things are falling apart in this house. Look, that big Jeep SUV, when last did you see it? Uzoka no longer comes to this house. Okay, today, the bank people came with eviction letter.
Eviction letter? Why?
Mama used this house as collateral to borrow money from the bank. And as I speak with you, the money is no more.
Are you serious?
You just said that you have never seen me like this before. Does that not tell you that there is fire on the mountain and nobody is running? Juma, things are falling apart in this house.
What is it? Okay.
My daughter Musman, didn't you hear?
What is it?
That they're traveling abroad, overseas for honeymoon.
Hey! Nothing in there, but now.
We're going abroad for our honeymoon.
Hey!
You should tell him, he's not just telling me congratulations, he should go and marry.
Don't worry, before they come back, my daughter-in-law will be.
How can I lose my money like this? How can so much money just pass through my fingers and just disappear? Hey! Oh my God, my enemies will hear this. But I'm finished. What am I going to do? Uzoka is nowhere to be seen. Uzoka just disappeared and just left me. Chetana doesn't answer his calls. He doesn't even call me anymore. What am I going to do? Hey! Chair will look to chair. Hey! What do I do? What do I do?
fight. Stop and change your ways. Stop the act. Stop and change your ways. No matter how long it takes. Oh, no matter how long it lasts.
Ikechi, let's finish cleaning the house. What is it?
So this is how people fall from grace to grass. When I was even thinking that we have climbed from grass to grace, all of a sudden, gidigba. Not even, we did not even fall to grass. This is below grass. Bare floor. Hey! Hey!
It's okay. Let's go. Let's get to work. It's okay.
Where is that upper?
The upper. It's inside the house.
I'm sorry I've not been able to keep to our appointment. I have been so busy. You're here now, so how can I help you?
Thank you very much, madam, for making our time to see us even this late. Well, we wish you could do business with us by buying the property so that we can balance our sheets as the deal is coming to an end.
If I buy this property, how soon do I take possession?
Immediately. The bank will enforce execution without delay. We have also legally informed the person in question to get ready for evacuation.
What do you think?
Investment in real estate is very lucrative. It will only appreciate it or depreciate. So you can go ahead and buy. Invest.
Okay. Thank you very much. Peace.
Yes, madam.
I will buy the property.
Perfect, madam. Thank you very much.
I will come to the bank tomorrow to make the payment. Then we can finalize the documentation.
Okay, no problem.
Honey, when are we traveling?
When do you want us? You know what? Take this call. Tell the person to stop disturbing us. We're on honeymoon. Come on. Tell the person to stop disturbing your husband. Come on. Okay, don't worry. So if she calls again, tell her to stop disturbing your husband.
Pick up your phone, Uzoka. Pick it up. Just pick the damn phone. I need to know which way forward. Pick your phone. What's going on? It's not picking.
So if she calls again, tell her to stop disturbing your husband.
Huh?
Tell her we are on our honeymoon. Do you understand? That's go ahead.
Hello?
Hello, please. Please, may I speak to Uzoka?
Hello?
Please stop disturbing me and my husband. We are on our honeymoon, please.
What?
I said you are disturbing us. Stop calling this line, please.
May I speak to him right now? What? Hey! 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 Mama! Hey!
Oh, give me, Mama, what is it?
Hey! What is it? Hey! Mama, what is it now? Talk to us. Hey! Mama!
Are you still gonna give me the money to leave?
Don't worry, when they're done making your hair, we'll go to the bank and I'll do the transfer.
Wow, thank you. See, that's why I love you so much. Yeah, baby, you're the best. Yeah.
Okay, not to worry. Once they are done making your hair, we go.
Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah.
Officer, what is the problem? I am the man of the house.
That woman was my wife. Those kids are mine.
Papa, step.
Papa.
June.
Papa. Papa, good afternoon.
Daphne.
Papa, good afternoon.
Daphne.
You are free to stay behind. So wish. Enjoy your money.
Hey! Shame on you! Shame on you! You brought mommy water as your wife. Wife to be. Oh, give me shame. This house is my house and no one is going to take it away from me. Not you bankers, not the police, nor you and your culture. Would you? Dikeh?
As a matter of fact, we've cleaned the old house for you. So you go there and make yourself comfortable. I don't have cheba and chairs or whatever.
Slippers. Look at I've never even believed in you nor hoped in you. Useless girl. Nenu called. Ha! Iya no ben na im na ya nwai. Agafu. Na you get to be a kind of a bandi and you see he's a useless man. Look at the kind of woman he brought as a wife. Never look at it. Who told us to River Naija if I get finished show no? Come, let us go.
Mama, I've thought about that thing you told me.
What thing?
I want to be like Papa.
Eh? It's again. Ike, that is what you got. Don't touch me. Look at these two of us. Oh, because you're wearing police uniform. Don't touch me. Don't. You can say move, but don't touch me. Of course, from them more.
I will get you arrested.
I don't drink of it. I used to.
told you were going to enjoy this thing. When we were coming, you were looking at the environment. Now you're. How's it?
This is nice. It's very sweet. Tasty. Wow. I never knew there is a place like this in this town.
We know all the places you can go and enjoy yourself. And there's still more.
Wow.
Still more.
See, let me tell you, we'll be coming here from time to time. It's so nice.
This one. Don't worry, relax. No, don't.
Madam Hoha. Anecheli, onyentike, anecheli, Madam Hoha, wanyike, Madam Ponkwem, onyensobuo, anecheli, mbombo, anecheli, mbombo, anecheli wanyo, nechelo onye diyama. Anecheli, mbombo, wanyike, mbombo, anecheli, mbombo, Madam Hoha, mbombo, anecheli, mbombo, anecheli, mbombo, anecheli wanyo, nechelo onye diyama, mbombo, anecheli, mbombo, wanyike.
Don't bother about him. Don't bother about him.
Look like idiot, man. You want to be blocked or mad?
Is he alright?
This way so I can pass. As I'm moving, he's blocking me the more. Go! Take that way now.
Where are you going?
No, 1 minute. Let me know who this idiot is. So why are you so stupid?
No matter how long it takes, oh, no matter how long it lasts, evil that you do will come back to you.
For the 10th time, you need a strong financial base. Something to fall back on when things are no longer rosy. Okay, like this land now. We don't need to buy the land now. We just need to buy some goods from China, electronics. We buy electronics from China, ship them into the country, sell them, make loads of money. And then we can use the capital to buy as many parcels of land as we want. And then we use the gains to do whatever we want to do. We'll have loads of money.
That sounds interesting.
It's very interesting.
Then we could, start off our own business.
Now you're talking. That's what I'm talking about.
You're so smart.
You're smart. You are smart.
Really?
So I'll call my agent. We just, I know this guy. We just transfer money. They ship the goods. And that's it. We're in business.
Okay. But first thing tomorrow morning, we go to the bank and transfer the money. I like it.
I like it too.
You're smart.
You're smarter.
Oh!
Madam Hoha.
You want me to believe this? Get inside. Let me take this to John. Get inside. Get inside. Hey! Egodi, my wife, is in money. She's wealthy.
Okay, it is written all over you.
Can't you see how fresh I am?
You are. You look at you, everything has changed. You look at the oil.
You can say it again.
I'm happy for you, man.
Thank you so much. Hi. Is it good? Bought a new house where we are living. Until we packed into the house, I never knew that the house belonged to Anne Cheli that used my son's money to build that house. I'm telling you, with that fool that was eating my son's money with that.
Is that why the bank came after Uzoka? The bank arrested him, charged him to court. As I'm talking to you, Uzoka is serving jail time.
Uzoka is in jail?
Yes, he's in prison.
Serves him right. Serves him right. Idiot. The boy is an idiot. If they got Anne Cheli, my wife, I think Anne should have been in prison. Hey! Thank God. Thank God. God has vindicated me.
That's why I know that God is a God of justice.
God is a God of justice.
Hey!
Say it again. That is why bring us drink here.
Wait, bring us drink.
Drink.
I hope your drinks are cold. Get me beer. Beer that is Be fast.
Go quick, I can't bring it. I'm going to change your profession. You won't drive or car, you won't ride or car here.
If you do that for me, I will never forget you.
I have said it, I will do it.
Who's on go?
Ego,